And on this monster ride, we're bringing you our brand new smartphone that will change the game, break the rules, and reset the smartphone industry all over again. You know what we're talking about. The newest Samsung Galaxy M51. That was the meanest monster face-off, guys, where the Galaxy M51 creamed the meanest monster ever title in an undisputed 4-0 win. Now let me tell you why Mobi was no match for our meanest monster ever. The Galaxy M51 comes with India's first 7000 mAh battery. A monstrous battery. There is nothing like it out there in the whole world. Add to it the 25-watt fast charging and reverse charging capabilities. Designed purposefully for all our young, unstoppable smartphone users across India. Now, if you thought that that's big, well, there's a lot more. The Galaxy M51 comes with a blazing fast Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor that'll keep you in the fastest lane. Plus, a bold, ready for anything 64-megapixel quad camera with its really cool single-take feature. And of course, our segment-leading immersive 6.7-inch Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display for all your binge marathons. In short, this is the meanest and the most badass machine we have ever designed to give you mind-blowing fun. Now you guys must be keen to get your hands on this meanest monster ever. So don't hold back. Samsung Galaxy M51 launches on Amazon and Samsung.com starting at Rs 24,999 only for the 6 plus 128GB variant and Rs 26,999 for the 8 plus 128GB variant. The sale goes live on 18th September, 12 noon. Set your alarms for your date with the meanest monster ever, and until we meet again,